Large intestine 1 is located near the tip of your index finger. To locate large intestine 1, find the base of your nail of your index finger. Then find the end that is closest to the thumb. Next, find the point that is just to the side and below that, like this. Here's the index finger. Here's the nail of the index finger. Here's the base of the nail. Here's the side that is closest to your thumb. And now you want to find the point that is just below and to the side of that, right over here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is large intestine 1. Activate this point by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have an acupressure instrument called a Shin, it might look like this. Now find and activate large intestine 1 on your other hand.